as time she does. She passed along her way, and dawn she crept like a frightened girl out from the nighttime sway. But in the merry month of May, a solemn fact does learn, for spring it sprung as spring it does, and put the bees to work.
Yeah. Give me baby one more time. Lie to you that I never knew all the lies. You say that we never do, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain. What's the core? I like thunder bangs. Well, it burns while I cry 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. 'Cause my loneliness is killing me.
God, I'm literally like, oh my God. Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What do we have here today?
Today I got Italian bread, 6-inch
So appetizing.
ham, lettuce, and chili sauce, and I got a chocolate cookie.
Where is the chocolate cookie? We should just... What's up, guys? Today we went to Subway and here's what we got. So I got this delicious meatball marinara.
Okay, I'm not showing you opened up, okay?
And pickles. Then I got this delicious, refreshing lemon iced tea. Oh, yes, so